Dejour, Naya, and Precious. And we're going to call this video Dejour, Naya, Precious, TV, and Precious. We're going to tame Precious today.
Yep.
Sometimes she don't listen. Sometimes she do.
We've been had her for a long time. We haven't tamed her yet.
And Diamond and them other dog got run over named Diamond.
Other dogs passed away, and we tamed all of them and teach them, and they listen. But this one, I don't think this one's gonna do it. She's the devil. Sit. So first off, we're gonna start with the basics. We're gonna teach her how to sit. So Dejour, give me the camera, and why don't you teach them how to do that?
But I want to hold my phone.
So the basics, you just have to take a treat or something and do it.
Or a ball.
Yeah, or a ball. Come on.
Or a stick.
Sit. Make sure it has eye contact with it. Sit. See, she never listens.
Say sit, Precious.
Sit, Precious. Come on.
Let me see the ball.
Sit.
Let me see the ball, Naya. I'm gonna keep. This is how you do it. Precious. Don't forget to watch her play. What? See?
See how he plays. Come on.
See, when we give her the ball, she does tricks and she plays.
We're gonna. So that one was a.
You gotta say drop.
Drop. Okay. So that was a fail. Now we're gonna teach her how to jump. Come on, jump.
You need a stick for this one.
No, we don't.
You do.
Go jump.
Wait a minute. The rope is on her. See?
Okay. So. Nope. You see this? Let go. Let it go. Okay. Go, Precious. Okay. Here's the basics. Come on. Jump. Whoa! Oh! I think that one was a fail. I don't know.
That wasn't a fail. That was a good job.
Oh!
Good job.
Woo! Good job. Here. So, why she's chewing that up or this one? I need to tell you something about dogs. Dogs are dogs are so accurate, and they are really playful.
And they are really playful.
And
They can't. They like playing with balls. Friend.
Yep. So let's get back to training.
And see, Precious pulling it.
Dogs are very smart, so we gotta.
And dogs are very scratchy. And she's trying to dig a hole in the freaking stick.
She's trying to dig a hole in the freaking stick. Oh my god. Okay, so we gotta teach her how to get it. You sense a smell. Okay, come on. So you gotta make we're gonna see if she can find it. So we're gonna hide it somewhere. So we're gonna hide it behind this tree and see
If she can find it.
Go find the ball.
Go find the ball.
Go find the ball.
Precious, go find the ball.
Find the ball. Where is it? Find it. What's over there? Find it. Go find it. Go find it. Go find it. Go find the ball. Go find it. Go find find it. Go find it. Find it. Go find it. Good girl. You found it. Go.
Here.
Go find it.
Where is it?
Go find it. Go find it. Come on.
Oh.
So now we're going. So that was a fail. She didn't find it.
Yes, she didn't find it. She only
So
found it.
let's play soccer kick. So dogs are very playful. They like to play.
Naya!
You okay?
See?
You okay?
Oh. You hurt me.
Oh.
My mommy said it's not trip now. It's Precious' fault because you made me trip. Now my mommy get hurt me. Your shoes. See, I told you don't do. I told you. I said Naya don't do it, then you did. The video's gonna run out of time anyway. When I get to 20, that means the video's over. See, Precious, the ball is going. Yeah. Stop digging holes!
Go on.
Precious, stop digging holes!
Lay down. Good girl. Good girl. Lay down. Stay. Good girl. No, she didn't mean to. She didn't know that she was wrapping you up. She did not know that.
So guys, when the video is at 10, the video's gonna be over.
You hurt yourself?
All videos supposed to be over in 10 minutes. So we only got 7 minutes, and then it's gonna be 8 minutes, and 9 minutes, and 10 minutes. Yeah. Then we can put it on YouTube.
But you fell down, and that's one of the part that.
I don't care.
But you want to be laughed at?
I don't care.
Okay. Please don't laugh at him. Look at Precious. Precious. Put the camera on Precious.
Heck is that? What the heck?
Oh, sorry.
Ow.
Watch this. Dogs really like their own space. So if I put my hand, she will try to
Bite.
bite the ground. They don't know. They don't. When you're trying to do their personal space,
8 minutes.
they think that you're trying to hurt them or take their things
But when
away.
you're trying to get the things, they're not supposed to have, they trying to bite you.
So, see how he was trying to growl at me? But after if I pet her, see what happens. Sniff my hand.
She's looking at you.
See?
See what happens when you get closer? And when you keep on. When she keep on looking at your finger for a long time, she started doing that.
That's what you should never do.
My dog, she act around when I put my hand in front of her. She start licking it.
So if you be
My dog is nice, but
yes, because my teacher that's filming the camera, he actually tames with his dog.
yeah. I tell her drop, sit, and no.
And she stops.
Yup.
Sit. So if you're
But she don't listen to nobody she don't know.
so if
Yo, start.
10. To
You're
bite.
barefoot. You better go get shoes on.
It's nice outside and plus.
But you might get barefoot.
Go on. See what happens if I come closer. She puts her nose in there. That's telling me that she doesn't want nobody to know.
No, that's telling us she's sniffing something.
She found something. So if a dog has its tail up and its nose up and its head up, then it's sensing danger.
So bye guys, the video's over. It's 10 minutes. So we're gonna put this video on YouTube today.
And
Bye.
bye.
Make sure to click like if you what's your favorite person in this video.